Righto, the next step is you're going to get a flat hard surface, bit of steel, or yeah, bit of steel, but ideal, whatever you can find. A hard piece of wood will suffice because you've already softened the steel. So that when you do is you get a hammer. If you haven't got one as cool as this, ask Dad if he's got one. And then you just want to slowly I'm rolling that a little bit so it doesn't undo, which that end is going to, but that doesn't matter. Now this isn't quite annealed, quite soft enough, so if it's not soft enough, do it again. Anyway, what you do is you get a flattens out like that. You sand her up and job done. So I hope I've, I don't know, shown you something that you might find handy. You can do at home with a few bits and bobs. Play around, it's always good fun. Makes a bit of noise, annoys people. Good stuff. Have a great Saturday, eh? Take it easy, stay beautiful, and always be kind. Oh, and I just want to show you what I do on my filming from. Contraption I made myself. It's adjustable, can go to any height. Phone sits in there. Bob's your uncle, mint as. Have a great day, people.